So I never purchase my luxury skincare products on full prices. Even you can save money and get discounts. Want to know how? So all these luxury skincare brands are always running some or the other offers after every few weeks, after every few months, especially on some important dates. Say like they always have a Women's Day sale going on or some Independence Day sale going on. Right now, they have a Rakhi sale going on. So very recently, when I went to the mall to purchase some of my Shiseido products because they had gotten over, so when I asked at the counter, they were not running any discounts currently. So I left my number at the Shiseido counter and I asked the girl, whenever any sale starts up, do give me a call. And just after a week, lo and behold, a sale started, which is the Rakhi sale. All their products were on 15% discount, and not just the Shiseido product, but there were a lot of other offers going on other brands as well. I'll just show you what I got, what was the actual price, and after discount, how much did I get it for. I had to go buy these three products. The smaller pack is about 1200 for one, so I've taken two, so 2400, and this one, the bigger one, is for 3100. They have a 15% going on right now, so this whole thing cost me about 4590. And this is not it. So whenever they have offers running, they also have some very interesting free gifts along with it. This is a travel size pouch, which I got for free. A travel size moisturizing cream, a travel size face wash, and samples of these two other products that they have. So save some money, get some discounts, and lots of free gifts. Go for it.